our stainless steel workbase. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length total of 60 inches, a depth of 28 inches, and a height of 25.5 inches tall. The lip that surrounds the top of the edge will be 1 inch in thickness. To the bottom will be the extra shelf. Measurements for the shelf will include 20.25 inches in depth by 53.25 inches in length. Coming to the left corner is the NSF certification. Protective layer can be peeled off. This workbase will hold and support weight for the equipment that we sell through Cooler Depot, such as ovens, burners, griddles, and much more. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.